Hi everyone, welcome back. So, I've switched over. I'm not doing a voiceover this time. I'm talking to you as if you are here with me. That would actually be so fun if you were, to be honest. So I have some nails prepped. And these are going to be for me because, if you haven't noticed, I'm wearing gloves. But look, I don't know if you can see, my natural nail is actually growing. I have a burn here. Burn there. No, it's about there. And a burn there. And then black spray paint everywhere. So, I didn't really want you to see those crusty, dusty things. So, we're going to do some nails for myself because we have finished we haven't finished decorating yet. I'm just going to use a base coat on these. We have been revamping, I suppose, the living room. When I get it in my head that I want to change a colour of a room, it pretty much happens. So we've just gone for black and white. Everywhere's white, all the trim is black. We have only really purchased new curtains, tie backs and an ottoman. Everything else we have like DIY'd and revamped ourselves. So that is why my hands are covered in black spray paint. But I was supposed to also thank you all for the giveaway. Absolutely amazing. Congratulations to I always say it wrong. Lisa at Polishus Nails. And also, I feel really bad for this as well. I have a bit of problem. I actually do have a problem with my brain. I forget things quite often. So I do want to apologise to Gemma from Niche Designs. If you're watching this, I was supposed to do a shout out for her last Wednesday. She has just started a YouTube channel herself and she is a fantastic artist, and she's been really nervous and she's been stressing out about doing her first video and everything, but she did this adorable little gonk and it's so cute. So if you do have time, please go and check her out. She needs the support from you guys because you're all amazing. So I've just put that in the lamp, just a base coat. We're going to use cream donut. And where have I put him? Perfect black. That is literally the only colours we're going to use today. And it's going to be Christmassy because I want Christmas nails. So, black on the thumbnail. And then cream donut on the other four, not five. I haven't got 6 fingers. I've changed my mind. I don't want cream donut. Give me a second. Right, let's wipe this off. I've taken inspo from 3 pictures, 3 designs. And I don't know why. I know why I picked up cream donut because it's bloody beautiful. But I want it a bit warmer. So I'm going to use the Born Pretty BP21 colour. This one. Just a bit warmer, isn't it? So I'm going to put that on. Let me wipe these off and then we'll get back to it. Okay, 2 coats on them. Now it's time for the fun bit. So let's concentrate on the black for now because it's on its own at the minute. So let's do a BPSG01. This was in the little review haul thing that I did for Born Pretty last week, was it? When I did the baubles, I used these. And I love that it's all holographic. So I'm just going to take the bottle that's in the brush and I'm just going to put a bit at the cuticle and pull it down a little bit. And then using like the corner, the edge of the brush, really lightly, pull it down, hardly touching it, just making it have contact and then like pulling back up. So that is good enough for me for the first coat. I'm going to put it in the lamp. had another thought. Instead of doing more than one coat of that Born Pretty silver stuff, I have got a mixture pre-made, mixed just a load of different silver glitters in a little pot, and I love it. So I think I'm going to use this on top, keeping that as a base, and I think that will look really good. So I'm going to get a brush. So let's see, it is sticky, but I think I'm going to put base coat down. There it is. Please excuse all the splashes and splatters of spray paint on my arm. So let's put a really thin bit of base coat down. We'll put it all over the nail, but we'll put the glitter where we want it to be. Yeah, I'm really looking forward to, if we reach 1,000, how amazing would that be? And I think I'm going to do an even bigger giveaway if we ever get there. And I know we can, because you're all amazing. So let's whack some of this glitter down. I'm going to concentrate at the cuticle. It's so messy, isn't it, glitter? But it's so pretty. Oh, a bit too much there. Let's see if we can sort that out. I don't know why I carried on just patting away. Let's get a brush. Let's see if we can push it back a bit. You know what? I'll just pat it a bit and pull it down like that. Yeah, that's better. I don't mind that so much now. Let's wipe off this. Okay, I'm happy with that. I'm going to pop that in the lamp, make sure there's no sticky up bits. And then, while it's in the lamp, I'm going to do the second easiest nail, which is the ring finger. And I'm going to get that ultraliner brush and a bit of black paint. Right, and I just want to do a French tip, but, so I reckon that's the middle. But it's just going to be, I'm just cutting off the corners, 2 triangles instead of a regular French. I'm just going to make sure that they're both at the same height, which I think they are. That's pretty good for my first go. So I'll fill this in, pop it in the lamp and do a second coat. Right, that's had its second coat and it's in the lamp. Now these two, the index and the pinky, are exactly the same. So I'm going to, dropping everything. So I've grabbed a tiny dotting tool. I'm actually going to wipe these over with alcohol, just in case, because I feel like sometimes with the sticky inhibition layer, it's, I don't know, it's, oh, I spilt that everywhere. It almost, I don't know how to explain it. It disperses the polish a little bit, whatever polish you put on top for your design. I feel like it makes it disperse a little bit. So a lot of people matte top coat and then do their design, or top coat and then buff. But I've said it before, I'd rather keep my, why is there hairs everywhere? Keep my top coats for topping. And this works perfectly fine. You're taking away the sticky inhibition layer, creating a nice flat matte surface for the product to adhere to. So I'll just do that. So I'm going to take the black polish again. Hang on, here's a little trick for you. If this, look, moving everywhere. So that white that I just used, yeah, doesn't move. So I'm just going to create some snowflakes on this nail. I always start with a dot. I don't know where I saw this first, but I love it. So So I'll start with the dot and then make sure that my brush has got a lovely point to it. Drag through and lift. Wasn't very good. Do the top. Drag through and lift. Sides. Go. And then I like to take the dotting tool again and just add a little dot on the end of all of them. Pull that to a point as best as you can. There we go. And then I just like to take my little brush and add some little spikes. And it's a pretty simple snowflake. Okay, so this is what we've got so far. So we've just got to do the last nail, the middle nail. So I'm going to take that silver glitter BPSG01 from Born Pretty, and I'm going to create, I haven't wiped off the sticky inhibition layer on this one. I'm going to create a Christmas tree. Okay, so from what I can gather, I don't know, I think I'm going to work from the top down. So I think they've gone like that, like done a swoosh. But, you know, like, I don't know how to explain it. I'll just do it. That's wrong. I'll do it again. How have I drawn it? Okay, I had a look at my picture that I drew. So we start here and we go swoosh. Might be a bit too thick, but it'll be okay. And then this is going to be a swoosh. And then we're going to get like larger swooshes and stuff as we go down. So let's see how that works. It might be awful, to be honest. Oh, that one's rubbish, isn't it? I think this one's going to be the last swoosh on this side. And we'll just trail it off, I think. Maybe we'll put one more in and trail it off this way. We can fill in that hole with a bit of glitter. Swoosh. Okay. It's okay. Let's try and make it a bit better. So I'm going to cure that and then we'll add some glitter. Okay, so let's base coat and then we can pick up bits. I don't like any of those bits I picked up. Maybe if we spread it about, a bit of that Born Pretty polish, just so that that black is poking through a bit. Cover up my mistakes. Now I'm going to do two little like ribbon bow. That is so cute. I'm going to cure it and then we can jazz up the other ones, then we can top coat and we're done. Why is the hairs everywhere? So let's put one in the middle of that snowflake. Another one. And then we'll have a few dotted around because they're so pretty. So pretty. Oh, I love it. Love that. Right, pop that in the lamp. And then we're going to do the same to the other snowflake. Put one in the middle and then medium. I think this is just like my go-to if I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know what to do. Medium either side of that. And then a small either side of that. And I think it looks really good. I think it's super simple. And I really like it. And then you can put caviar beads in between your little gaps. Okay, we are done. What do you think of these? I am actually really happy how they've turned out because I'm not massive on like black, elegant, Christmassy stuff. I want red and I want green and I want gold and I want in your face Christmas. But because we've just done the living room, black and white, and we're going to be putting the decorations up very soon, I thought, why not have some nails that will match the living room? And I've got a dress as well, a Christmas like tartan black and white dress. Oh my god, this is going to be amazing. Okay, I do need to rest though. I've done far too much work. So let me know what you think of this design in the comments down below. Go and check out Gemma at Niche Designs. And congratulations again, I hope I'm saying it right, to Polishious. Polishious? You're going to have to tell me how it's pronounced. I'm rubbish with pronunciations. But I'm going with Polishious Nails, Lisa. And yeah, thanks everyone for taking part in the giveaway. You're all a superstar. We will be doing another giveaway if we ever reach 1,000 subscribers. So keep your eyes peeled for that. And yeah, hopefully we'll have a live video very soon. Cannot wait. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you did. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I'll see you on Sunday for a new video. Thanks, guys. Bye.